What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy J Cobbs. So guys, you would not believe where I'm at, okay? Of course, I'm in this nice little room here. Check this little space out, I mean. Bed, bookshelf, right? Come on. Little windows here, little desk, little office space there. Come on, man. Can't get no better than this. So the thing is this, guys, I'm actually in South Carolina for the next couple of days, and I'm hanging out with my mentors. Now, I want to check out this little spot. I want you guys to check out this little spot that my mentor's fiance at the time, they're actually getting married in about a month. Check out this little lovely spot that they actually, rented out for this weekend. So check this out.
With the fast pace, any moment till the day breaks. No more time to get to know you. Now I'm living in a dream.
That's dope.
Now I'm living in a dream.
But anyway, this place is dope. So check this out. I've been hanging out with her. We are actually throwing a surprise birthday party for him, and he has no idea that I'm even here, right? So I never met him in person, never met her, and the thing is this, we've been out getting a few little decorations, as you can see here, right? A few decorations, and we just went out and had a little lunch, just talking, chopping it up, and I'm already babysitting. So, Ryan, you owe me, man. You owe me. I'm already babysitting, right? So, yes, I'm here already babysitting the little one. And as people or the guests starts to make their way here, I'll be letting people in, and maybe I can get this thing on video. Maybe. I don't know. But other than that, peace, I just want to let you guys know some amazing things that happened in my life. And guys, I can't imagine life if I had given up, right? And this is just some of the perks. Being able to hang out with some cool people like this, being able to, have friends that would do, things like this, and just to be able to think of me like, guys, I'm just, I'm lost for words, man. But other than that, the experience so far is amazing. I will do my best to get as much as I can, and we're just gonna hang out, right? We're just gonna hang out. So I'll tell you guys maybe on another video or so the reason why she's here. But anyway, we're gonna hang out, and I'm gonna get some work done while the rest of the guests come in, and I can see if we can get Ryan to see if we can surprise them. All right. So other than that, peace. I will holler at you guys later, man.
Don't think I'm